Hey everyone! So it looks like you've received a Cerule e-gift card. Let's walk you through it and how to redeem it. Now you're going to go to your email box, search for the email from Cerule gift cards. Open up the email and select the Click Here option on the gift card image. To redeem, click on the gift card code box and make sure to copy the code so you can apply it to your order in your back office. Now that we're in your back office, go ahead and select the products you wish to order, and once you're ready, proceed to checkout. From here, you will see the option to redeem gift card. In the blank space provided, paste the gift card code that you copied from your e-gift card email. Immediately, you will see the gift card amount apply to your order, and you can proceed to finish making your purchase. If you have any questions or experienced any difficulties redeeming your gift card, give us a call. We're happy to help.